Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Java here. I will be taking next session on Streamlit Checkbox functionalities. And here I have divided into two sections. One is basic feature where we can see the default checked, unchecked, disable of the checkboxes when it is default and checked and unchecked. And also I will be covering on how to receive the value of the checkbox status, whether it is checked or not, and what to call if else condition. Then in the advanced feature I will be covering how to enable the help feature, also how to call the on change functionalities whenever the state of the checkbox changes. That feature I will be covering. So please tune to my YouTube channel so that I will be uploading the detailed checkbox tutorial shortly. Also, if you have any suggestions, please reach out to me. I am happy to help you. Here is my email ID and channel details. Thank you.